If you're seeing a Facebook registration error, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to fix Facebook error with registration, so you can get through the sign-up process without wasting time. Whether the problem is caused by a weak internet connection, incorrect details, or a browser issue, these quick fixes can help you get back on track fast. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. First, let's start with the most basic but important step. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook registration to fail, freeze, or show an error message. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection. If possible, try loading another website or app to confirm that your internet is working properly. If the connection seems slow, restart your router or switch to a different network, and then try signing up again. Next, enter a valid email address or phone number. One of the most common reasons Facebook registration fails is because the contact information is incorrect, incomplete, or already in use. Double-check that the email you enter is active and accessible, because Facebook may send a verification code or confirmation link. If you're using a phone number, make sure it includes the correct country code and that the number can receive SMS messages. Even a small typo can stop the registration process, so take a moment to review it carefully before moving on. After that, fill in all the details correctly. Facebook may reject the registration if any required information is missing or entered incorrectly. That includes your name, birthday, contact info, and any other fields shown on the form. Make sure your name matches the way you want it displayed, and avoid using unusual characters or extra spaces. Keep everything accurate and consistent, because incomplete or suspicious-looking details can trigger an error during sign-up. Now let's talk about your password. Use a strong password that meets Facebook security requirements. If the password is too weak, too short, or too simple, Facebook may not allow the account to be created. A strong password usually includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid using obvious passwords like your name, birthday, or common words. Creating a stronger password not only helps the registration go through, but it also keeps your account more secure in the long run. If you've already checked your details and the error is still showing, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can cause login and registration pages to behave incorrectly. This is especially common if you've tried signing up multiple times or if your browser has old data saved from previous sessions. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try the Facebook registration process again. You can also try refreshing the page or using a different browser if the issue continues. Sometimes the problem is not with Facebook itself, but with the browser you're using. Switching from one browser to another, such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, can help you see whether the issue is browser-related. If the registration works in another browser, then you know the original browser was causing the problem. Another helpful step is to make sure you're not using saved autofill information that could be outdated or wrong. Sometimes browsers automatically insert old emails, phone numbers, or names without you noticing. Delete any incorrect autofill entries and type the information manually instead. This gives you a clean attempt and reduces the chance of registration errors. If you're still having trouble, wait a little while and try again later. Facebook may temporarily limit repeated registration attempts, especially if too many failed tries happen in a short period of time. Taking a short break, then coming back and entering everything carefully can sometimes fix the issue immediately. So to quickly recap, check your internet connection, enter a valid email or phone number, fill in all details correctly, use a strong password, and clear your browser cache and cookies. These simple steps solve many Facebook registration errors and can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.